As I'm here in Vegas for that one event. I forgot what it's called, NRHSA or something like that. Yep, there's Vegas right in front of me, turning into it right now, so you can see Vegas right up ahead. Well guys, it's the next day. Over here, gonna go to see the Traxxas sponsored boat demo at the lake or pond. I just woke up super early, like 6:30 in the morning right now. There's Vegas bright early in the morning.
Score. And the winner of the boat relay will
Yeah, he's ripping around and it's windy.
take the boats that you guys raced.
Jeez, sweet. How fast that thing ripped. Got a float plane trying to follow. We have Mark Garcia right here. Mark Garcia. What's going on? Yeah, we have some X-Max on paddles. They're going to be running these out there.
Weeks later after you get home.
Total of 6 laps. You're going to run clockwise around the 3 buoys. After the first driver completes 1 full lap, hand the transmitter to the second person. They complete a full lap. As soon as they complete 6 laps with the 6 drivers, that's the winning team.
So Ben, remember it's 1 lap per team member. Hand the radio over to the next guy. You're going around the buoys. So, and you're going to go in a counterclockwise position. Or clockwise, I'm sorry. I'm used to going clockwise. We're going clockwise, my fault. Everybody hold your boat up. I'm going to count down from 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Race! Oh, he missed the buoy. Missed the buoy. No, man. Twice he missed the buoy. Well, one race. Now I gotta stay out of the way. Here we go, get ready, like side by side.
Oh!
Oh! Getting out of the water, guys. Gotta kick the boat up, get it up, let's see who can win. Push it up, there you go! There's 2 around here, Jake, to your left. Jake got you. So,
X-Max is getting ready to rip. Do a water run.
there we go.
Yeah, you got it.
Didn't make it. Oh, no. Come on. 6 inches short. I'm right there.
There you go.
Oh, here we go. All right, everybody watch out. Here it comes.
Oh.
You're taking it for a wild ride.
Oh, sick.
Launch the boat. So the batteries will like off a little bit.
Oh, and it's capsized. I don't know how many cells it's running, but it's fast. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Oh, one is gone. Oh, we lost both X-Men. I gotta get back on the bus to get back to the hotel. And here's the event right here, just leaving right now. That was pretty fun. Yeah, that was pretty sweet. Some nice boat demos. Well, there you guys go behind me. So the next one's gonna be the event indoors and go check out some RCs. Check it out, here we are. The Expo going up. Come on, guys. Famous people over here.
Yeah, that's
And these things are pretty cool. I don't know if any of you guys played with these back in the day. With these things, man, I had so much fun with those back in the day. You just chase them around your neighborhood. They're super fast. I thought that was a Starion for a second. I was like, is that a Starion?
Oh yeah, there's one
Is there?
in the 64 scale.
Oh.
The black one down at the bottom.
Oh man, look at that.
Conquest version too.
Yeah, he got a Conquest up here and a Starion.
Tire line is designed specifically for Turbo 600.
That's
down
nice.
to the widths of the wheels and tires and everything.
Nice. Full scale. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
And we have more slot cars here. Of course, you guys remember my live from yesterday.
Yes, sir.
There was a release from Traxxas that we're not allowed to talk about, but you know, that'll be coming out soon once it's released. That's about it for that, guys. Here's the whole expo. Peace.